I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the continuation of lesson 4. This is of class 5. I am dealing with ICC syllabus Cordoba publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Scene 3 is the king's audience room. The king is sitting with a few ministers. So scene 3 is king's audience room and where the king is sitting with a few ministers. King. I wonder if the famous throne of King Vikramaditya lies buried under the mount on which the boy sat when he gave the judgment. So the king wonders if the famous throne of King Vikramaditya lies buried under the mound where the boy sat when he gave the judgment. If the throne can make a coward give wise decisions, then won't it help me to become a better king? So the king is saying if that throne means the chair where the king or queen sit is called the throne. So if the throne can make a coward give wise decisions, then won't it help me to become a better king? King. The king gets up and paces up and down talking to the present ministers. So the king is, he gets up and he paces. Paces means walks up and down. He is talking to the present ministers. King. I have asked my men to dig up the ground and find what lied hidden there. They will soon be here. So the king is saying, I have asked my men. The king has asked his men to dig up the ground and to find what lied hidden there. What is lying hidden there? And they will come soon. That is, king's men will soon be coming. The sound of people talking is heard from backstage. You can hear the sound of people coming from the backstage, like careful, gentle, slow, it's heavy but precious for the king. So these are the different sounds that is coming from the backstage. 5 men carrying the throne enter the stage. Suddenly you can see 5 men entering the and carrying the throne. They were carrying the throne. They enter the stage. A few follow them and few of them are following them. They gently put the throne down and wait for others. The throne is covered with mud. So what happened? They put the throne down. That is the 5 men carrying the throne. They put the throne down. That is, they kept the chair down and they are waiting for the orders for the king to give. And the throne is now covered with mud. And the chair is now covered with mud. King inspects the throne. Clean and polish the throne. So the king is now inspecting the throne and the king is telling the 5 men, what did it tell? To clean and polish the throne. To clean and to polish the chair. Tell the royal priest to find an auspicious date when I shall sit on the throne of King Vikramaditya and try to solve people's problems and conflicts. So the king is telling to tell the royal priest to find an auspicious. Auspicious means showing signs that something is likely to be. To find out an auspicious date when the king can sit on the throne of King Vikramaditya and solve the people's problems and conflicts. Conflicts means serious arguments. King looks closely at the throne again. Now again also the king is looking at the throne closely. What are these? They look like carvings. So when the king closely looked at the throne, the king is saying that what are these? Carvings. What are carvings? Carvings are objects which are made by chipping stones or woods. It's called carvings. Of course, they are Garudas. So what did the king understand? That the throne is full of Garudas. What are Garudas? Garudas are like bird-like creatures, are called Garudas. Bird-like creatures. King. There are 24 Garudas. I wonder what they are for. So when the king notice the throne, what did the king see? The throne is covered with 24 Garudas. Garudas are bird-like creatures. You can see in the picture, these are Garudas. There are 24 Garudas. There are 24 Garudas. I wonder what they are for. So they are saying, I wonder why this throne is covered with 24 Garudas. I wonder, the king wonders what they are for. Scene 4 is the king's palace. Now it is the king's palace. Crowds have gathered in the palace grounds. So in the king's palace there are huge crowds. They have gathered in the palace grounds. The king is standing in front of the throne. You can see the king standing there in front of the throne and praying. What is the king doing there? He is standing in the front of the throne. He is standing in front of the throne, front of the chair, and he is praying. He moves towards the throne. Now the king is moving towards the throne. Just as he is about to sit on the throne, one of the Garudas moves its wings. So what happened? As soon as the king went to sit on the throne, one of the Garudas moved its wings. You can see one of the Garudas were moving its wings. The voice of Garuda. Wait. First question yourself. See, when king was going to sit on the throne, suddenly one of the Garudas moved its wings and is questioning the king, telling the king to wait. First question yourself. You have to question yourself. Are you really worthy of sitting in this throne? So the Garuda is asking the king, are you really worthy to sit on this throne? Only a person who has pure heart can sit on the throne. So the voice of Garuda is telling the king, are you really worthy? Are you really worthy to sit on this throne? Because only a person who have got pure heart can sit on this throne. The king stops. Suddenly the king stops. The voice of Garuda. Ponder on what I have just said. What is the meaning of ponder? Ponder means to think about carefully. It's called ponder. Think about on what I have just said. Tell me, have you ever been cruel or unjust to any living being? So the voice of Garuda is asking the king, tell me, have you ever been cruel or unjust? Unjust means unfair to any living being. Have you been unjust or cruel to any living being? The king thinks. The king is thinking. King, I have asked the question to myself. See, the king is telling that the king has asked this question to himself. The answer that I get tells me that I do not deserve to sit on this throne. See, the king has already asked this question to himself, and the answer what the king got is that he is not worthy to sit. He is not worthy to sit on this throne, as I have been cruel and unjust many times. The king is saying that king is not worthy to sit on the throne because he was not worthy, because he was cruel and unjust many times. For 3 days I will fast, pray, and make myself worthy of the throne. So for 3 days the king is going to fast, pray, and to make himself worthy to sit on the throne. Only then I will return. Only then the king will return. Do you think that the king will be able to sit on the throne? Do you think the king will sit on the throne? Okay, children. The remaining part I will continue in the next class. I hope you all understood this. Please share this with your friends and relatives. I know many of you are watching my channel. So all those who are watching, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and share this with your friends and relatives also. I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.